Hey guys, it's Taylor at Kellysport. I've got the nice opportunity to show you a really cool product you can put on your new or existing pontoon. That is the Vantage pontoon guard. You'll see it here on this 30QX. We did a silver wrap down the exterior of the pontoon, and then we did a black rub rail. These colors here are interchangeable. We've got a couple different colors there. You can really tie it in with your boat. What this is gonna do is it's gonna be a protective layer all the way through the top half of your pontoon. Whether it be you're rubbing up against the dock, someone tied up next to you, debris in the water, whatever it's gonna be, this is gonna give a nice protective layer on your pontoons, keep them from getting all scratched up, marred up, dings in them. And then when this does get eaten up by impacts or anything like that, it is able to be replaced over time if you need to, instead of worrying about it getting into your actual aluminum. The nice thing about this Vantage Toon Guard is you can do the colors, like I mentioned. So you can match the color of the Toon Guard, the top half and the bottom half, to whatever you want to match the color of your boat. I think it really gives it that extra pop as you're going down the lake. We've been started doing this past year, and we've been seeing it on not only all of our bigger custom Benningtons like this 30QX, but we've been seeing it on every single model from the 22S all the way up. It's an affordable option to keep your boat protected and give it a nice little cool look too. And just like the pontoons on your Bennington, the Vantage Guard is going to have a lifetime warranty on the product. If you would like more information on this, give us a call. Like I said, it can go on your new Bennington that you have on order, or if you currently own one and you want to add it to something that you already have, give us a call. We'll walk you through the process, the colors, the pricing, everything like that. I'd love to share some more information with you. Thanks for your time.